Happy Tuesday, everyone. Last week, we introduced the concept of using your DM32 manometer to take static pressure readings on an HVAC system. This week, we're going to dive into the gauge and show you how to set things up. So once you have your DM32 hooked up to your supply and return sides, like we do here, we have the blue reading supply and the green is reading our return. We want to be able to show that here on the DM32. So what we want to do, we can just tap on channel B. Right now we're set up like we're going to run a blower door test, but we can't have that set up here like this. So we'll tap on channel B, and we want to read pressure on channel B instead of flow. And we still have it reading in pascals, and so we'll just keep tapping this, and then the next option is inches of water. And now we'll go back to our home screen, and now we see inches of water on both channels. And so we see our supply side on channel A, and our return side on channel B. So this is an inverter system. I have the fan turned all the way up, but you can see there's not a whole lot here as far as ductwork is concerned. The return is just a box that the air handler is sitting on, and there's not much here, just one trunk line here for the supply. So static on this is pretty low all the way around, even with the fan turned all the way up. This is one thing that's nice about using both channels, is that you can see how it's split up on the supply and the return side. Basically with a 2-channel manometer, you have 2 manometers built into one. But if I take my DM32 and I take my return side and put it on the same channel with my supply, that's the total static pressure added up from both channels here. Plus, that gives me another channel open, so now I can simultaneously look at my total external static pressure and then anything else I want to measure. So if I want to measure a pressure drop across a filter or a coil, I can do that at the same time with that open channel. Our friend Henry Garcia did just that. He sent this photo in, taking an external static pressure reading on channel A and then looking at a pressure drop across the coil on channel B. So that's how you set up your DM32 to take a static pressure reading. Join us back here next week as we talk about another topic. Thanks for watching.